We'll start off with Prasad, Jwalapuram. He's got more than 3 decades of work experience across various organizations, LIC, Birla Sun Life, Future Generali, Majesco.
It's always a difficult thing to start before the breakfast and after the lunch. So it's one of the challenging tasks that I've been assigned to. Hopefully, I'll be able to meet the expectations of the audience today. What we are going to talk about today is about the multilingual guided journey for customer onboarding using generative AI. Generative AI is one of the in things now. So that's how we can make use of it in the context of insurance journeys. That's how we are trying to see how we can get it. Basically, the insurance penetration in India is low because of various reasons. Particularly, awareness is one of the problems, and multiple languages and multiple basically small ticket sizes. What will happen is basically the meeting in person and selling those things is becoming a very difficult thing. So technology is always there, we can make use of it, but the challenges of language and the barriers of understanding the technology and using it is another challenge. So how can we can take it forward to the end user with multiple languages, who speaks multiple languages? Can we take it to the next, please? Yeah. So our solution, Flare, basically is an easy-to-use solution which can be integrated with any of the journeys. Either it can be an onboarding journey or any servicing journeys, and it supports multiple languages, so all Indian languages and some foreign languages also, and it's versatile. It can be adapted to any of the journeys that are going forward. So this is the architecture that we are following. Any query or action that is coming from the user is first controlled and basically filtered, and any data that is coming from the organizations is filtered to not to take that towards the generative AI. It is actually filtered here, and Flare only sends the filtered context information to generative AI to get the information that is required only will be passed on to the generative AI, and the generated context again mixed with the data is passed to the end user to give the final results in the way he understands. So that is the process that we are following. So that actually takes care of data privacy issues also, because no data is passed to the generative AI models. So that actually controls, and only the information that is required is passed, and finally the final deliverable will be given to the customer in a manner he understands. So how it helps? Basically, it increases insurance awareness. It can be, and it also can be a guided journey for the user, so he can take it forward for any process. It can be helpful, or any business rules that are there that also can be incorporated and managed through this, and it will be very helpful for real-time distribution also. So it can be a multiple guided journey for customers also and agents also, and it will be a very if the insurance penetration increases or the even awareness increases, that will be helpful for the industry. It's a small presentation that we are going to get. It's a kind of a demo. The voice basically is in English, whereas the deliverables are there. We can actually
Welcome to TesQuirel Insurance Company.
Please go ahead. Sir, you can read.
Prasad. Please provide last name or surname. Jwalapuram. Please enter your mobile number or hand phone number. Please enter valid 10-digit mobile number.
So here any validations can also be
9876598765. Please enter a valid email ID where you wish to receive further communications. prasad.jwalapuram@gmail.com. Enter your highest educational qualification. Post-graduation. Enter your career profession. Service. Please enter your annual income. 6 lakhs. Enter your date of birth, and it should be entered in year, month and date DDMMYYYY or selected from the calendar as given. 12th January 1992. Please enter your gender. You can also select from the drop-down. Male. Enter your spouse's first name or given name. Shri Lakshmi.
So based on the conditions, also the
Please
this
provide
can
last
move.
name or surname. Krishnamurthy. Enter your spouse's date of birth. 14th February 1993. Enter your spouse's gender. Female. Let's now discuss your insurance options. Enter the risk coverage you want. Build your wealth. Given your financial objectives, what policy term do you want to consider? 10. Enter or select the frequency you wish to pay your premium. Quarterly. Enter the value of sum assured to calculate premium. 67 lakhs. Enter Y if you smoke or chew tobacco. Enter N if you do not consume tobacco. Y. Now, let's move on to the investment strategy. Enter the percentage of blue chip. 50. Enter percentage of growth value. 50.
So any value
Please
is
provide
shown
safe
when
price.
the target system
0.
level. Any errors that is throwing
Enter
in, it can
percentage
also
of
be
ultra
captured
safe
and
value.
passed on to the message to be done.
0. Thanks for providing the details. Your quotation number is 40179176. Please quote this for future reference. Your premium with tax will be 79,614 for a risk coverage of 67 lakhs payable quarterly. Policy maturity value is expected to be 3056755 at 4% and 3688279 at 8%.
So basically by changing the settings, basically by in the production scenario, by asking the user to select their language, you can actually select the language that is being made, and based on the language, you actually can run it. So here we have selected Telugu as the language.
Welcome to TesQuirel Insurance Company's
So the
self-service
voice is
portal for
still in
onboarding
English. That voice again will be changing it to the local language as goes forward.
customers. Enter your first name or given name. Raju. Please provide last name or surname. Patil. Please enter your mobile number or hand phone number. 676767677. Please enter that valid email from which you wish to receive further communication. raju.patil@gmail.com. Enter your highest educational qualification. Graduation. Enter your career profession. Business.
Currently data
Please
capture
enter
is
your
being done in English, but it can be in any other language also. For example, if somebody is using a Hindi keyboard, you can use Hindi keyboard or any other regional language keyboard to enter the data, but it can convert, and actually storage can be done in the English language for our databases.
or uncle's income. 6 lakhs. Enter your date of birth and it should enter the year, month and date in DMMYY or select from the calendar as provided. 9th September 1992. Please enter your gender. You can also select from the drop-down. Male. Enter your spouse's first name or given name. Rani. Please provide last name or surname. Patil. Enter your spouse's date of birth. 23rd February 1993. Enter your spouse's gender. Female. Now let us discuss your insurance options. Enter the risk coverage you want to get. Build your wealth. Deciding your financial goals, what policy term should you decide? 10. Enter or select the frequency to which you want to pay your premium. Monthly. Enter the sum assured value with calculate the premium. 46 lakhs. Enter Y if you smoke or chew tobacco, if you don't use tobacco. Y. Now, let's go through the investment strategy. Enter the blue chip venture. 50. Enter the growth value %. 0. Please provide the exact value. 0. Enter the
There was still some,
ultra-saturated value.
translation issues with this one, but that have been fixed now.
Percentage. 50. Thanks for providing the details. Your quotation number is 795108878. Please quote this for future reference. Your premium with tax will be 18,564 for a risk coverage of
Finally, it can display the values that have been collected, and this one can be shown to him in local language.
46 lakhs payable monthly. Policy maturity value is expected to be 2098668 at 4% and 2532252 at 8%.
Yeah, I think that's about the presentation. Thank you very much for listening. Any questions if you have, we are ready to. Okay, we can take them offline also.